Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Yes. Hey, champions, how you doing this morning? Look, on my way out the door, figured I'd get on here really quick. And number one, remind you to go to the video that I'm linking up here or somewhere in this video because I can only link it once. It'll also be linked in the description box. The video that says, the thumbnail says, thank you. I need you to go and leave a comment so that you can enter my drawing. I have 20, I'm going to be picking 20 names, okay? 20 folk getting ready to get something, okay? So this is the reminder because the drawing is tomorrow. And I had said yesterday that it's at 7 o'clock, but it's 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. That's what I have in my description box on that original video. So I need for whoever has not already joined, you just have to leave a comment under that video. If by chance you do not want to, throw your name in the hat and try to win something, then just hit that thumbs up button on that video to let me know that you were here and that you were showing little old Donny Wawny some support. Okay, now I received my what is this, May Allure box. Got to get that thumbnail. So I'm just gonna run through right quick because y'all know I already talked about the products that I received in April, and all of those products with the exception of one, which is the Stellar Primer. I have not tried this yet, but I'm going to try it, and then I'll get back to you on next month with this because I just got my brows touched up with the microblading, and until Tuesday, I can't really wash my face. I have to stay clear of my brows to keep them intact. So this review on this product, because this is the only product that I kept from the April box. The rest of those products are in the giveaway. So if you missed that, I'll also link that somewhere up in the clouds up here. So look forward to that in the June review. Okay, so as y'all know, this is what the box looks like. Y'all, to be perfectly honest, I don't know if I'm going to keep getting this subscription box. The first box that I received from Allure, it started out with a bang. I got a full size of the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Cream. Full size. But since then, I have just not been impressed with the boxes because it's products that I will be passing on. And for $21 a month, I just cannot. I just cannot. So this month, let me put my girlfriends on. This month, it is all about the fast lane. And she's talking about doing things quickly. So the first thing that we have are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And then we have two of these, two pairs. Okay. I like under eye masks because I do have dry under eyes. And I do like Wonder Beauty. I really, really, really like their lipsticks, which is the only thing that I've tried from that brand. And it says, these blinged out patches were made for hashtag mask selfies. They moisturize and soothe your under eyes. Okay, that right there got my attention. They look good while you're doing it, of course, because of the gold, okay? The gold foil makes me feel extra glamorous. They're nice and calming because they've got aloe and a skin cooling effect. It's made them a favorite around the office. She keeps them, this is the editor of Allure, of the Allure Beauty Box, saying that she keeps one at home and one at her desk at work. And she loves how they leave behind a soft shimmer that subtly brightens up the eyes. Puffiness, under eye puffiness is her concern, she says. And it helps, these help to bring it down really quickly and they come off clean. Other masks leave a sticky residue that you have to wash off, but these do not leave a sticky residue. But she does have to snip them so they don't get into the outer corners of her eyes. So she snips them to make them fit her under eye area perfectly. So this is what they're looking like here. right there. Okay, so we're going to give these a try because y'all know I am into the whole skincare thing. So we're going to give those a try. Okay, then the next item that I have is the Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. It gives a medium hold. And it has perfecting perks. It smooths away flyaways and frizz without flattening the texture. She uses it on days to make her hair air-dried waves look less frizzy. It's loaded with natural oils, including macadamia, argan, sweet almond, and grape seeds, but it's light enough that it doesn't weigh down her fine hair, and it controls the flyaways at the root. This retails for $19, and you can pick Kenra up at Ulta. This is something that I am going to be passing on because I do not use dry oil sprays. I have color treated relaxed hair, so I'm very particular about what I put into my hair because I've got it to a point where it's not as drying with the color. So I'm not interested in using any other products on my hair because I finally found the products that work for my hair. Okay, so this will be being passed on. Now, going back to the eye patches, they retail you get 6 pair for $25 on WonderBeautyLike.com. And I have a code that I'll enter in the description box where you'll receive 20% off your purchase up until July 31st. So that code will be in the description box for anything on the Wonder Beauty website. Okay. Then the next thing that I have is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. It makes your skin look different right after application. Its peachy tint and hint of shimmer brighten you up instantly. She taps it on the high points of her face, cheek, nose, and temples, above the tail of the eyebrow, across the center of the chin, down the bridge of the nose for a natural looking highlight, but you can also easily wear it all over to create a velvety base for a full face of foundation. The coconut is to hydrate. This full size sells for $28. You can get it at fabbeauty.com. You can also get this at Ulta. You can also get this at Sephora. There is a promo code to receive 15% off of your entire purchase until June 30th if you go to First Aid Beauty's website and purchase this. I already own this. I already use this product, and I really, really, really enjoy it. I use this product a lot on the days when I just want my skin to have a healthy glow, but I don't want to really apply any makeup and I want to go on my way. And this keeps my skin moisturized, okay? It doesn't dry my skin out. Under foundation, under powders, it works well. It plays well with others. So, I will be keeping this one. The next item that we have in this box was they had one of two things. They had the Saint Tropez Instant Tan Finishing Gloss, and then they had the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Mousse. I received the mousse, and that's what that looks like. It's a self-tanner that looks like water. It's liquidy and totally clear, but in your hand, it becomes an easy-to-spread mousse. You don't need to rinse it off. You can immediately get dressed and meet friends without staining your clothing, and you'll have a natural-looking tan by evening. The color isn't quite as potent as the original Saint Tropez formula, but she doesn't consider that a problem. She didn't look super tan, just glowy. And you can do a second coat if you want more color. It goes on clear so you can't see where you're applying it, which could be a downside. Let's see. You have to be careful to get every inch. But I really like how it's mess-free. I can't even tell you how many stains I have on my carpet from other self-tanning self-tanners that drip. You get this at Ulta.com or Ulta, $42 for the full size. This, I'm not sure about this because of the clearness of it and I can't really see. But I may give it a try because I do like tanning oils right now. I'm currently trying to get the Maui Babe, which is a coconut oil self-tanning product. Now, y'all looking at me like, girl, why do you need tanning oil with your melanated skin? Yes, okay, I understand all of that. But my melanated skin is not deep, okay? And sometimes I really just use tanning oils in the summer to enhance my color, to give it more of a deeper caramel color, so to speak. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this. I don't know. I'm on the fence about this. But if I do not keep it, it will be going in the giveaway. So I only have, what, a day or two to make up my mind. And, of course, I will not use it if I'm putting it in a giveaway. Then the next product that I have is this CLE melting powder in deep rose. It's a lip powder that you spread over your lips, and then they magically turn into smooth lip tints. They delivers cover that's more pigmented and buildable than a stain, but just as natural looking. This summer matte. Ooh, I can't read this morning. This summery matte raspberry shade from CLE goes on easily with a wand. You may think it'd be messy. It's surprisingly not, but you wouldn't be alone in thinking that. She made a bib out of a napkin and used it the first time and thought it'd flake all over her sweater, but it melted into their lips and felt even right away, okay? It was actually a lot of fun to use. It quickly dried into a matte berry stain that didn't settle into cracks or feel tight like a lot of other matte stains can. It kind of felt like I had nothing on, but it stayed put. This retails for $19.99. You get it at CLEcosmetics.com. And I do have a code in this book where you get 30% off of your purchase, valid through June 15th. So all the codes that are in this month will be in the description box. I had one of these once before, several years back, in like, I don't know which box it was, Sephora Play. I don't know who it was, but I really wasn't a fan of it. But it could have just been that I just didn't give it an opportunity to show me what it could do. So I'm on the fence with this as well. Like I said, another one that I'm on the fence about. I only have a couple of days before I make up my mind. But if I do not keep it, it will be in the giveaway. Okay, and then the final item I received is, which is not even in the book. So this must be a bonus something, because it's not even in the book. But anyway, it's this L'Oreal. L'Oreal has a new hair care line out called Everpure. And it's sulfate free and color. It's made for colored hair, color treated hair. This is the Everpure sulfate free intense repair hair sheet mask steam treatment. Okay, this is pretty much a steam treatment conditioner. And I have had steam treatments in the beauty salon before and loved it because it made my hair very soft, very manageable. It was very, very moisturized. And actually, steam treatments are very good for your hair. So this right here, I'm going to try this out. Okay, it says it's sulfate free, it's dye free, it's paraben free, and it's sulfate free. All of the things that you need if you have color treated hair, which you should be trying to be putting that kind of stuff in your hair anyway. So it says that it is the sheet mask for hair with camellia flower, envelops hair in a delicate layer of repairing cream. Shower steam allows for formula to melt onto hair for strengthened, protected hair. So we're going to give this one a try. We're going to give this a try, okay? So the things that I know that I'm going to keep are the eye patches. We're going to give this a try. I think this is one use, so we're going to give it a try. Yeah, one sheet mask cap. Oh, it's a cap. Okay, so we're going to give this a try. Since it's made for color-treated hair and it's paraben and sulfate-free, we're going to give that a try. We already know this is going in the giveaway. The Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. This is going in the giveaway. This is probably going in the giveaway as well. And this I'm really on the fence about. So, out of all of the products, was this... Oh, and the primer. I know I'll keep this because I use this already. So, this is a good travel size of it. So was this box worth it for me? I'm going to tell y'all my honest opinions. For a lot of people, these boxes are truly worth it for them. But for me, because I'm so particular, I would prefer not to get hair care products in my boxes. I would rather have like a piece of jewelry or a lipstick or an eyeliner or, something else, because I got my stuff I use on my hair and I'm sticking with that. Because I've always, I've been caught with trying to use the stuff in these boxes and it had my hair all jacked up, like dry as a gum straw that's been out in the barn for days, for months, and it ain't never had moisture to it or anything. And it's just a hot mess. So I have just decided that since my stylist has me on a regimen, then that's the regimen I'm going to stick with. So for some people, this box would be worth it, but for me, it's just not, and I'm really considering canceling the Allure box. I may give it one more try, and if I don't get, if I'm giving away over half of the products, that's the thing. If I'm giving away over half or more of the products in the box, it's not beneficial for me. So we may give it one more box, one more month to see what happens. And then if not, if it's still a nay for me, then I'll probably be canceling it out after June. So that's it, guys, for this video. I just want to come on here right quick. I have got to get my little behind up out of here and go start this most glorious day. Y'all remember to go to the video that says thank you. It will be linked down below, of course. And go out there and just leave a comment on that giveaway. It's very simple. The rules and regs are very simple. That you have to be subscribed to my channel, of course. Okay, you have to be over the age of 18. It's open to international champions. So anybody outside the U.S. and you are a champion on this channel, then you can also just enter, okay? Because I have something special for you. We're not getting ready to do this going through customs and all of that stuff with the mail, okay? You're gonna get, if your name happens to be pulled and you're international outside of the U.S., you will get an e-gift card to Amazon, and I believe it's gonna be $25, okay? So and leave a comment under that video, because I'm using YouTube Picker, and I believe you can only do that on one video at a time, okay? Now, we're doing a drawing tomorrow, Wednesday. What's tomorrow? See, I still got that stupid calendar on April. What's today? 22nd. Tomorrow, the 23rd. How could I forget the 23rd, girl? Fool, your baby is graduating pre-K tomorrow. One of your little babies is graduating pre-K tomorrow. So anyway, the drawing is tomorrow. The drawing is tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I will be doing it live. Okay, so you don't have to be present. If you miss it, just make sure you get back to that video and check out if your name was pulled, because I'm giving you 72 hours to respond to me. If I don't hear from you within 72 hours on Sunday, I will be pulling another name. Okay, because we got 20 stinking gifts back here. I need to get out my little room. All right, so until tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of your support. And go out into the world today. Take on them challenges, any challenge. But you take on those challenges with dignity and pride. Have a blessed day. Smooches.